welcome to our mini vlog. Me guys, Lucas. Let's go guys.
Walang sound. Lalagyan mo ng ibang.
I'm here with my Kuya Sid. Today is my daddy's birthday. I'm so happy I'm with my Kuya. We are here at Kalak. Hello guys, gandang weather. Bye Kalak. Malapit na tayo sa Tagaytay.
So, ayun na nga. So, we are going to Tagaytay Picnic Grove. Lucas, are you excited? Where are we going?
Saya ng chicken oil.
Ha? Ano?
Saya ng chicken oil daw.
Ano favorite?
Oh man.
Golden.
Alam ko, OP, hip. Lucas, say hi. Are you sleepy? Sleep ka muna kay Kuya.
Ayun yung pinatugtog nyo.
O, babay na, bye.
Yung OPM hip hop.
Hindi, sinag-share sa YouTube. Mahaba.
Now we're almost there, guys. Now it's a little bit cloudy. It's okay because I'm with mommy, daddy, Kuya.
Diba? Ang daming tao.
We are here, guys.
Ay, taga lang daw.
I'm so excited
One, two, up.
to buy toys. Oh no! Umulan.
Lucas. Lucas. Are you feeling cold?
Now it's time to eat the butterfly. Just gonna eat, enjoy, guys. My Kuya said this very, very matakaw. We have been inihaw na liempo and daddy cooked pork adobo and lots of food.
How's your experience?
Sarap.
Tama bumabagyo yan ha. Tignan nyo ha. Lucas, did you enjoy?
Even if it's rainy, we are happy. Because it's my daddy's birthday.
Kasi lumakas yung ulan. Wait lang po. Hello?
Oh man.
Ay, basang-basa ka.
What happened to mommy and Kuya? Look at daddy and Kuya, they are wet.
Ay. Ayan, grabe. Binagyo kami. Binagyo sa Picnic Grove. Are you okay, Lucas?
Saya, saya.
Kaya binabagyo na nga po kami. Walis na kami sa Picnic Grove. Sa iba na lang kami pupunta. Lucas, are you good? How do you feel?
Good.
Good pa din? Hot or cold?
Aircon pala.
Cold. Sabi natin si Daddy. Ayan, nagpapakat na rin po ang iba.
We are waiting. Okay, guys, we are waiting for Daddy's car. Then we will go home na. Thank you so much, Picnic Grove.
So this is it. Basang-basa.
Hindi, yan, YouTube lang.
Look at.
Thank you for watching, guys. Happy birthday, Daddy.